Are you bringing it to the game?
Yeah, I don't want to leave it. And maybe we're going to the game.
Where are we going now?
To see someone about my job.
I don't understand.
You don't understand what?
Are we going to the game?
I said possibly we're going to the game. Do you know what possibly means?
Like probably?
No, probably means there's a good chance that we're going. Possibly means we might not. What does probably mean?
It means we have a good chance.
And what does possibly mean?
I know what it means.
What does it mean?
It means that we're not going to the game.
How did you get so smart?
Because you're smart. Are we there?
Yeah.
Mr. Ribbon.
Yes?
How are you, sir? Chris Gardner. Dean Witter.
Oh, hi.
Hey, this is my son, Christopher.
Hi.
Hey, Christopher. What are you doing up here?
I came to apologize for missing our appointment the other day.
Oh, you didn't need to come up.
Oh, no, actually, we were in the neighborhood visiting a very close friend of ours, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you for your time. I know you probably waited for me.
A little bit.
I want you to know that I do not take that for granted.
No, come on. What's that?
Oh, this an Osteo National Bone Density Scanner.
Oh,
A company I bought into prior to going to work at Witter. I have a meeting after the game.
you guys are going to the game?
Oh, yeah.
Possibly.
Possibly.
Yeah, we're going too. I'm taking my son Tim, my 12-year-old. We were just leaving. Tim!
Listen, we'll get out of your way. Again, thank you very much, and I'm sorry about the other day, and I hope that we can reschedule for later this week.
You got it.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
You take care. Here, come on. Say bye-bye, Chris.
Bye.
Bye, Christopher. Hey, you guys want to come with us?
What? To Candlestick?
We're going now. Come with us. Where are your seats?
Oh, we are upper deck.
We got a box. Come on. You want to sit in the box?
No.
Well, it's not actually a box. It's a private section. It's more comfortable. You want to go?
Okay.
Okay, kids in the back. Hey, why don't you just put that in your car?
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
We don't have a car.
Ah! Oh my. Ah!
What happened?
I think I got stung by a bee.
You all right?
Oh yeah. Ah, goodness. I'm fine.
You're not allergic or anything.
No.
Where'd it get you?
It's like right in the back of my head.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, Christopher.
Does it hurt?
Christopher, I'm fine.
Let me see.
Christopher, sit back. Sit back.